Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to copy someone's profile picture on Discord. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for discord.com, then sign in your account. Okay? So you need to make sure that you are using the browser version of Discord. Now what you need to do is to select the profile picture that you want to copy. But in this tutorial, I will be using my own profile picture. Okay, so what you need to do is to just go ahead and go to the server and then select the profile picture that you want to copy, click on it, and click on view profile. Okay, or you can just go ahead and right click and profile. Okay, so once you're here, what you need to do is to press the F12 key on your keyboard. Then select this button, the select an element in the page to inspect it. Click on that. Then now select the profile picture. So as you can see, this is the code right here. So just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow. That is 1, then 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow until you see this URL. Okay, so just go ahead and copy that. So copy. Now open a new tab. Paste it right there. So here is it. Okay. So now just go ahead and save this image on your device. Okay. So now that is how you copy someone's profile picture here on Discord. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.